Hello Taskader. In today's video we will show you our 5 task views. As soon as you access your project, you will notice that in the upper right corner of your screen there is a button highlighted. This is the button that we will use to select which view we will use. Our tool has 5 different ways to visualize the tasks of a project. Let's explore each one. The first is the list view. In this view, we have the blocks and the tasks, one below the other. Our second view is the board. In this view, we have separate frames for each title block, and tasks are grouped under them. The third view is Action. It has the same structure as the list, but the buttons for action are easily accessible. Our fourth view is the Mind Map. In this view, we have the horizontal organization of our blocks and tasks, and you can easily expand or collapse hierarchies. Our fifth and last view is the organizational chart. With it, we can view our blocks arranged vertically, and we can easily expand or collapse topics. Now you know our 5 views. Taskade. Turn ideas into action.